Hi, my name is Greg Goldberg on behalf of Expert Village. You can check us out at www.minettis.com. Today we're going to be talking about Strombolis, the close cousin to pizza. Again, the first thing is stretching the dough. That's what we're going to talk about in this segment. If you look over here, we have the dough already placed in the flour, smooth side up. We're going to give it a little press, flip, another little press. Then we're ready, smooth side down. This time we don't need to press the dough out. Instead, what we're going to do is get a rolling pin. I have one right here. You're going to go start in the center, your hands flat, and just work back and forth. Back and forth. Until you've reached your desired size. If you want to get a little wider, give it one there. This does take a little bit of elbow grease here, just to get it rolling. And then what you can do if you want is just grab, give it a little shake, and that's the perfect size right there.